Hello viewers, today I am going to tell you how to upload the files in the Google form. So first of all, open the Google form and select the answers which are having the add file option. Now tap on the add file, wait till this screen appears. In this screen, tap on the upload option and select the option select files from your device. Now this option will ask you where you want to upload the file. So tap on the files option. Now it will open the internal storage if you are attempting from the mobile, or the location of the file if you are attempting from the PC. So I have opened this in my mobile, so it will give me the internal location of my mobile. From this location, first you have to search for the file that you have taken from your camera. So you have to go for the internal storage. Now generally the camera files is stored in DCIM folder, and from here you have to click on the camera option. Now select the files that you have taken the image from your camera. Select your answers. You can select multiple files, and after selecting the multiple files you can select the open option. Now as you can see, the files or the answers that you have selected from your camera will be uploaded here. Now click on the upload option. Now your files start uploading. Let them upload. When this upload finishes, your file will be uploaded to your Google form. After your file is uploaded, you can see the name of the file that is attached to your particular question. Suppose if you are facing any problem while uploading the files in the Google form, then you can switch this mobile view to the desktop view. So what you have to do, you have to go to the top right corner of the screen and tap on these three vertical dots, and you have to scroll down and select desktop side. Now your Google form will be reloaded. It means you have to upload the file again. Again go to the question, click on add file, and follow the same procedure that we followed for the uploading of the file from the mobile.